Hey guys, welcome back. This video is going to be very special because today I am going to tell you things you should never do to your PC or laptop. This is very important message to all the gamers who are watching my video. Please watch my full video. I am not telling this for increasing my watch time, I am telling this to keep your account secure and free from malwares. So without any further delay, let's get started. Is never using or playing pirated games. Yes, it is not possible to play every games by paying money you want to play, but playing games like GTA 5 and Call of Duty in pirated version is very unsecure. You may have noticed that while installing pirated games the setup says to disable antivirus. Have you ever thought why it says so? Because there is such a program installed with your games which runs on your background and mine crypto using your graphics card, which decreases your system performance. SPO. I am again warning you, reduce to amount of playing pirated games. Number 2 in playing games without outdated drivers. Many people think that they have good PC which used to run games better than they do now, and they keep searching and searching about how to improve your system performance. Well, the solution is very simple, and the solution is just update your driver. And don't think that how to update your graphics card. Just go to Device Manager and select your graphics card and choose Update Drivers. If you have still problem in that, then watch my previous video. You may think, what are the disadvantages of using outdated drivers? There is not a term you can say disadvantage, but as a gamer you should check for update daily to improve your game performance. And the third one and most important thing according to me is never do any changes to Registry. Registry? What is Registry? Well, the Windows Registry is a hierarchical database that stores low-level settings for the Microsoft Windows operating system and for applications that opt to use the registry. The kernel, device drivers, services, security accounts manager, and user interface can all use the registry. The registry also allows access to counters for profiling system performance. In other words, the registry or Windows Registry contains information, settings, options, and other values for programs and hardware installed on all versions of Microsoft Windows operating systems. For example, when a program is installed, a new subkey containing settings such as a program's location, its version, and how to start the program, are all added to the Windows Registry. Changing values in registry may seriously injure your laptop or PC. Some of the most faced errors is system error. Some of the errors cannot be even fixed. When you search on Google or YouTube about how to fix laptop slow booting in PC, most of the YouTubers show that they make some changes in registry and make value 3 = 0. I myself tried it and what? I had to reinstall my whole Windows. The things that I am saying in this video is not all my opinion, these all are the things that I experienced. Now let's move to another one. And the fifth and the final one is virtual memory. Not a Gaian? Now what is virtual memory? Well, virtual memory is a memory management capability of an operating system (OS), which uses hardware and software to allow a computer to compensate for physical memory shortages, by temporarily transferring data from random access memory (RAM) to disk storage. Have you ever tried to search on YouTube about how to increase or double up your RAM? Well, is that even possible? I am saying that never increase your virtual memory. Increasing your virtual memory cause serious crash to your lovely games. Let me tell you one thing, I have 4 GB of RAM and I play FIFA 18 in it. It gives me playable performance, but once I thought to increase my RAM performance and after increasing virtual memory, when I opened FIFA 18, this happened to me. So, to prevent your games from being crashes, never increase your virtual memory, let it be as it is. This much only for today. Hope you liked my video. Do subscribe if you like my video. I can make a video on it as a part 2. Thanks for watching.